I am sure I can help you today if you can't receive any more emails on AOL. Doesn't matter if you're using the computer, the Android smartphone or the iPhone, because I will show you for everything on every possible device how to solve this problem. Do not forget that this tutorial is very complex and I will show you many ways and many methods so I can make sure I can help you. Do not forget to tell us in the comment section what worked for you so people can read your comment and try also for themselves. So first of all, let's understand where exactly you can't receive emails anymore, because if you use the computer, there are different steps other than if you use a smartphone. And if you use a smartphone, what smartphone do you use? Is that an Android? Is that an iPhone? And just to make sure I can help you, all of you, I will show you how we can solve this problem for computers first, then we'll move to smartphones. I will show you on Android and on iPhone also, because hopefully I have an iPhone and an Android in my home, and that will be so helpful. That being said, let's move to the computer first. I guess you use an internet browser like Google Chrome or either Microsoft Edge. If you are using a Mac, you are using mostly, I think, Safari. However, just open the internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and let's see, I think on this Gmail address I have the AOL account login. Let's head to mail.aol.com. Just type that in the search bar and hit the enter. This is the official AOL page on which you'll have to sign in. Here you have to put your email address. Let me press on next, and here type your password. This is the second step, and most probably you will have also to receive code verification either on your alternative email address, which is a different one, or either on your smartphone to sign in. So let's check if you can receive AOL emails. Just try first to send an email to yourself. Here at the sender, put your email address. At the subject, you can leave test, and let's send it. Let's head to our new mail. Let's see if I can receive that. Yes, I just received the email, so it means that my email address is working properly and I can receive emails. But if you couldn't find the email that you send it to yourself, you can either find it in spam. If you can find this email in the spam, it means that, of course, definitely you can't receive emails anymore. So what can we do to solve this problem? Well, first, let's try to delete the cache and cookies from our computer. Let's hit Ctrl and H for the Chrome to hit the history, or either you can hit the three dots from the top right corner, which will get you to the same page. Once you are here, let's press on clear browsing data. Let's go to advanced all time, and that will delete my browsing history, all the pages I went to. Download history, if you mark this one, you will delete everything that you downloaded. So if you want to delete those also, make sure you will not lose something that you don't want to lose, that you downloaded in the past. I don't want to delete the download history. What I'm interested in specifically are cookies right here, and cache, image, and files. Make sure these two boxes are marked. Passwords, if you mark this one, you delete the passwords that you saved to your browser. You'll not delete the passwords, but next time you can't log in automatically in the websites that you saved the password to, so you will have to put your password again. So I will unmark this for myself, and this is everything I want to delete. Yes, sure. Let's press on clear data, and this is the first step. Now what you have to do, yes, I will have to log in again. Password, it's saved. I don't have to type it again. Now just try to send you again an email to yourself with test2, and if you can receive this email, it means that you solved the problem. And if you can receive that, we have to move to the second step. Let's try to hit the settings of AOL, which is in the top right corner right here, and now to more settings, and on the left we can find filters. If you do have a filter right here and it looks something like that, let me try to create one really quick. Okay, and I just created the filter. If you do have one, it looks something like that, and you have to delete that. If you don't remember that you created this filter, most probably it means that your account is compromised. Maybe somebody got into your account and created this one. I don't know who created this. You don't know who created this. There is a chance. So let's try to delete this filter. Select the filter and press on this trash bin icon. Yes, I'm sure you want to delete filter, example filter. Yes, sure, press on delete, and now I have no filter here. And now try again to send an email to yourself, and subject test3. Let's try to send, and if you now can receive an email, it means that you solve your problem. And if you still couldn't receive that email, we have to move to the next step. What else can we do? If we use until now Google Chrome, let's try to use a different browser. I never use Microsoft Edge, but in this case I will use it, and let's try to head to the same page, mail.aol.com. Maybe there is a problem with Google Chrome. We don't know that. We try to log in with a different browser just to check if we can receive emails using a different browser. Let's try to send it to ourselves and test for send. Now just check the inbox and see if you can find this email. But I'm pretty much sure if you reach this step, most probably you solve already the problem. If the problem is not solved, you can contact the AOL customer support. Just in case, I will leave you right here on the screen their official number. And if you do have any filter, don't forget to change your password. How you can check if somebody compromised your account? You can check the activity log. To check the activity log, just select your icon and press on account info. A new page should pop up. Let's check recent activity, and here are all the data when we change the password. And also here you can find view all connected device. You can check here what devices are connected to your account and their location. If you see somebody here, I will recommend you to change your password immediately. And this is the last step. What can you do if you still couldn't solve the problem of you receiving emails? Let's check again the settings, the gear icon, more settings, and let's check security and privacy. I believe, yeah, here it is. Block all sender except contacts. If you have this option marked on, you can receive emails only from the people who are in your contact list. If somebody else will try to send you an email and they are not in your contact list and you have this option marked on, you can't receive emails from them because they are not in your contact list. They are strangers. So you can unmark this, yes, so you can receive emails from strangers who are not in your contact list. And I'm pretty sure by now you should solve the problem of you receiving emails on the computer, either a Mac. Let's move to the smartphones now, so I can show you there what can you do if you are checking your AOL mail from a phone. I will show you first how to solve this problem on an Android phone, and furthermore we'll move on my iPhone. Let's check the mail on the Android phone. I'm using the AOL app, which is this one. You can find this on the Play Store. I will open it and I want to check the new emails, and I can see the test emails that I sent to myself. I can see test 2, test 3, test 4. If you can't see them, it means that you can't receive emails on your phone. How can you solve the problem on the Android? Well, let's close the app for now. I don't need it, and we'll head inside the settings of the Android. Inside in the search bar from the top, I will search for accounts. Is this one, accounts and sync? Maybe you have different titles, slightly different from phone to phone, but you can still access them. I will press on it, and here I can see all the accounts that I log in from this phone, including AOL, which is the one from the top. I will press on it. I will press now on more, and I will press on remove account. Yes, remove account. Do not worry, if you do that, you will not delete your AOL account, either the emails from it. You will just delete the account from your phone, which is cache and cookies, stuff like that, not the account itself. So do not worry, you will not delete your account. And I can't see any more AOL inside here. Let's check. I will open the app again. Most probably I am logged out from my phone because I deleted the account from the settings of my Android. Can I? Okay, it logged me out already, and I will just have to log in again, put the email. Now the password, I believe this is the one. Yes, I have this saved on my phone, and let's head to new emails. Yes, I can see them all. Now you can try to send you again a test email, name it test 5, and check if you can receive now emails. Now let's move on the iPhone, because on the iPhone we have to do the same thing, but it's a lot different. Now on the iPhone we have the App Store, which is this one instead of the Play Store. Inside of it you can find the AOL app. Let's hit the magnifying glass from the button. In the search bar I will just search for AOL, which is this app that I'm using. If you don't have this up to date, just press on the update. Here I have the app on my phone. I will press on it and I am logged in already. If I will go to new mail, I can see the test emails that I send them to myself. Test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, and so on. It means that my account works properly. What can I do if I can't receive emails on my iPhone? Press on the icon from the top left
corner, now manage accounts, and press on edit from the top right corner. Now I can see a remove button. Remove this account from this device. That's my email address and all its data will be removed from this device, which is exactly what I want, and press on remove. I should be logged out instantly. Tap to get started with AOL. AOL wants to use okay, yeah, sure. And let me try to log in again. I'm logging back into my account. Now I can see all the test emails. Basically what I did, I deleted the cache and data, all the stuff, but from the iPhone this time. And you can do the same thing differently if you go into the settings. Now here on the above you can see a search bar. Let's search for accounts. Okay, found it, and here I can see AOL mail. I will press on it and delete my account. Yes, delete. And we can see now add account. I will press on add account, press on AOL. I can log back into my account. I will just fill it with my information and I added my account. Basically, I deleted the account and added it back with two different methods. One from the app and the second one was from the settings on the phone. The same thing twice.
And if you still couldn't resolve the problem, just try to use a browser, a different browser instead of the application of the app on the phone this time. Either you have an iPhone or on the Android, just open Google Chrome, Safari, DuckDuckGo, Firefox. It's also a thing. If you don't have any other internet browsers on your phone, just download it from the App Store for the iPhone and on the Play Store for the Android users. Reach mail.aol.com on this iPhone, on the browser this time, and you can check the email from there, just to check if there is a problem with the application itself. And if even with this method is not working, I will leave you on the screen AOL official number. You can call them, you can reach their customer support to see if there is a problem on their side. And also, this is their website on which you can find tutorials. It's called help.aol.com. There you have many guides and tutorials how to resolve any problem by yourself. Please tell us in the comment section if this tutorial worked for you or which part from this tutorial worked for you, so we can make this very interactive and people can read comments to see what worked for you. Maybe you can help them also. Don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave any comments down in the comment section if you have any questions. Once again, my name is David and please have a wonderful day.